Welding program here at NCC has this beautiful facility that square footage has been nearly tripled in size, and the ventilation is top notch.
I toured around other colleges and I didn't quite feel right there, but then I came here at NCC, toured the welding shop and met Robert, and everything just clicked and it felt right.
I chose NCC because they have a nice welding program. Their building is fairly new. They have a 1- and 2-year program, so I can get a lot out of it. Coming into welding, I had no experience, so this program and this NCC seems like a good place to start.
Here with Robert, we get a lot of one-on-one time because the class size isn't too large. You know, it's not just shooting through an objective list and he wants to see these done and finish these as fast as possible. You know, he'll sit with me and teach me the correct methods and what to look at when I'm doing every process, you know, so he helps me perfect my welding skills.
They make it very easy to just jump in and learn. You know, it's not difficult. I was really nervous coming here, but it's been really easy.
So what's unique about NCC's welding program is that we cover several different welding processes that are available out in industry, or being used in industry. Typically when you go straight to work, you're focused on one type of process, one area. You're going to be taught what an industry needs from you. When they come here, they're going to get a little bit of everything, and they're going to be very well-rounded when they leave here and be able to go out in the job force and kind of pick their avenue. You've got so many choices with what you learn here at NCC.
Hopefully, fingers crossed, I can get into pipelining and journeying around the country to wherever job sites need. Literally, the sky's the limit.
Hopefully somewhere making a lot of money welding.